Good morning, everyone. Good evening, anywhere you are now. Let's start. In this session. I will talk about important feature for InDesign using TreeShade extension, which is auto fixing links, missed links. If you have placed a link and renamed the file or move from place to place, by default you will have missed link in InDesign, and you need to relink again to the file, like image or icon. But using TreeShade, TreeShade will automatically trace the change and relink automatically to the new location or a new name. Also, if the link inside placed another document, if you have another document placed in your document and that document have missed link, TreeShade will open the placed document, fixed there the links, then close that document to update in the parent document. Also, for Photoshop, if you have layers in Adobe Photoshop, TreeShade will automatically open the placed Photoshop file, update the links, update the layers there, and save the file to be updated. This extension is totally free. You can install from Adobe Exchange. Search for TreeShade, the software called TreeShade. Go to exchange.adobe.com and in Creative Cloud page, search for TreeShade. It also have a local server on your computer for online form, so the end user, as your collaborator or customer, like team in marketing department or HR department, they can fill the content. So this content generate auto updating for the design remotely. But in this session we will not talk about that. We will talk about InDesign links. So at first, in practical demo, let's create a new folder inside workshop folder. There is a folder called workshop after creating the root folder, and within this folder you're supposed to put your project files. Let's name links. Let's open. Now we have created a folder called links inside workshop, and here from TreeShade menu there is a command called new. This submenu have template files displayed here as commands, so you can click at any file name to create a new copy in the current folder. Like here we want to create InDesign document, so you can select Creative Cloud, then InDesign. You can add more files here or add new path, but this the default path called new, and it installed with the software. If you install the software, you will have this menu ready to be used. So let's select InDesign. Let's name layout. This folder for TreeShade, so don't delete this folder because TreeShade save important data inside. In Mac OS it's hidden, but only in Windows it displayed, so just ignore it. Okay, let's open the new InDesign document. Okay, now suppose we have links. Let's put any link like this inside the links folder. Okay. Now if we place these links here, now the name, suppose we want to change the name here in Adobe Bridge. By default, when you rename the file here, you need to relink the missed link in Adobe InDesign, but we're using TreeShade, no need for that. Like here, you can write link white billboard. Okay, so see now after renaming, you will see here in Adobe InDesign the link automatically changed because TreeShade tracing any change in background. Here you can rename cup and this see it's missed, then automatically relinked. Okay, now suppose you have InDesign document placed in another document. So suppose we have here, let's create a new InDesign. So from TreeShade menu, new, Creative Cloud, then InDesign. Let's rename nested doc. Okay, now let's open the new document and let's place files here. Let's place these files. But before placing, let's put inside a folder. Let's name the same file name, nested doc. Okay. Now we want to place inside the nested doc the new photo here. Okay, let's save the document. Do you want to check in? Yes. When you check in a document, TreeShade automatically export PDF and update the current version of the document and synchronize the files among collaborators team. So just wait for Adobe Bridge to reveal the PDF. Okay, if the PDF revealed, then the checking in operation done. Just go back to workshop folder. Okay, now let's place nested doc inside layout. So let's close here and let's remove these files. So inside the links we have nested doc. Let's drag and drop here. Now we have a place document inside another document. So we have a design document here. Now suppose we changed link name, but not inside nested document. So let's rename here the elephant photo. Or let's change this. Or if you can let's name this train. Now if we go here, you will see that in design show you warning that there is links missed inside the blessed document. So now if you save the document here and check in the document, see now without touching anything, InDesign will open the nested document, update the missing links there, close the document and update in the parent one. I didn't open the document, it's opened automatically. See now the link is fixed, exported, then closed. When you check in a document, just wait for Adobe Bridge to reveal the PDF. Because when Adobe Bridge show you the PDF file, then the operation done. Okay. Wait. So now if we select layout, you will have version PDF here. Okay, it's done. Suppose we modify a link, not the name, the link actual modification. So let's edit in Adobe Photoshop. Make any modification here. Okay, now the file modified. So now let's check in the parent document again and see if it will update or not. Do you want to check in? Yes. I think nothing, it will not be updated because here there is no warning. So now it's didn't work. It didn't work. I didn't modify a link inside the nested document. That is the problem. So let's try again. I edited the wrong file. We don't testing on these. Let's move to trash. From TreeShade menu, select move to trash. Cancel, no. I'm talking about the nested link inside the blessed document. Like here, elephant. Let's make any modification in the photo. Like let's make a crop. And let's save. Now let's see in the parent document. See here there is warning that the blessed document have links need to be updated. So now let's save the document. Do you want to check in? Yes. And let's wait if TreeShade will open the nested document to update before exporting the parent document. Okay, it's opened. The link updated, and then the document will be closed to continue in the parent document. Wait until this here to check in becomes 0. This is counter for the checking in document. Maybe sometimes you need to click in Adobe Bridge so the application take focus to continue the process. Okay, it becomes 0. Now layout it exported. So if you select the InDesign document, you can see the output. Click embeds to see automatically exported JPG files for the badge. And here versions, you have only one version. And here versions PDFs. Each version have separated PDF. And here workshop, where you're supposed to edit the project files. Okay,